is Shawnee Love 33, and today I'm going to be doing, I always feel like I say I'm going to be doing a different kind of video, but today I'm going to be filming my kind of makeup collection video, I guess. The video you should be seeing before this is a makeup declutter video that I filmed a couple days ago. I decided that my makeup collection was in incredibly deep need of a redo. I really needed to get rid of a bunch of stuff, and I just needed to declutter. I hadn't done a declutter video since 2016. It was 2019, which I will link that down below if you guys want to check out my original declutter video from way back when. But I went through and I decluttered a whole lot of stuff, which you guys will see in the video, which you guys have probably already seen. If you're watching this one right now, you've probably already seen that. Today I'm just going to show you guys my makeup collection now that it's all organized and fixed up and stuff. So without further ado, I'm gonna get into that and hope you guys enjoy. Next, I'm probably gonna be doing a nail stuff one with all my nail type stuff, which I'm gonna declutter that next and then, you know, show you guys that. But yeah, let me go ahead and get into the makeup. All right, so this is my little makeup section of my room. That's my hair stuff, which is a whole other ballpark. But this is all like my beauty related stuff. If you see the blue cord, that is my Ethernet cable for my computer, which is right here. Yeah, that's my baby, which that has nothing to do with this. But this thing has all my makeup and stuff. This is my Ethernet cable. I have to fix that, but it's hanging up there. And I have like garland and like Christmas lights. These are my like Christmas lights that I have hanging because they're not too long. They're kind of tangled, so, but you know, that's not makeup related. But anyway, this is my things right here. So I guess I'll start up here. So this is like my lanyard and stuff from when I was in college. It's my college lanyard. This is like my battery operated lights, but I took the batteries out of those. You can't really see them. But right here I just have, okay, that's too close. You can't see that. Right here I just have my micellar water. I have the Garnier, and then I got this one from Dollar Tree, which I like to use sometimes, the Daily Defense one. And that's it for right there. So right here, if I can move that cable out of the way, this is my this acrylic container I got from Amazon a couple years ago. It was like $12. These are two separate pieces. You can detach them, but I like to keep them stacked like this for the sake of space. And I cannot get this Ethernet cable out of the way. Let me not mess up my Ethernet cable because that would be really bad. Okay, so right here I have my powders. I got this True Magic one by CoverGirl. It's like a creamy, I don't know how to even describe this, but, and these things have like leftover makeup. It's like a cream highlighter, I guess. I don't really know. It's like a cream highlighter, but this is where I keep all my face powders. A sharpener, I couldn't think of what it was called, a sharpener for when I do like my eyeliners and stuff. And here are my blush, bronzer, eye creams. These are extra foundations. This is it's not a concealer, it's a primer stick, some primer. And then these are little things, so it has these little like cubbies where you can put like, and these have like makeup on them, that's why they look dirty like that, because it's like eye pencils and stuff. But I just put all these little things because they're like lipstick holders. So I put all of these little things, and this is like my one in a million, my Aaliyah matte collection lip gloss that I never wear, that I just bought because I was stupid. And I keep that right there. And so down in this little corner, I have like some extra cotton rounds. These are extra primers, cotton rounds. I keep tape for when I do my eyeliner, and I just tuck those down there. And then the drawers. So I finally organized my drawers when I did my declutter. This drawer, okay, I don't know what just happened with my camera. This drawer has all my eye makeup that I use on the regular, my eyeliners, eyebrow pencils, mascaras, brow pomade, all that kind of stuff. And then this one I cleaned out a lot. These are my concealers that I use on a daily basis, except for these two. I don't really use these. I don't really use the baby skin anymore because I have this ordinary primer that kind of works better than that. Color corrector and those. And then this is my one of my lip gloss thingies. So you guys are going to see that I have a ton of lip gloss. I love lip gloss, and I have a ton of lip glosses and lipsticks. So this one has all my color pops. I don't have a lot of color pops, but those are the color pops that I do have. And then these are just some of my favorite lipsticks that I use a lot more, that I kind of reach for more often, and my mattes and my liquid lipsticks and stuff. So then we go down here, and down here is my little container, and I put tape on it because it's ugly. I want to paint this at some point, but I haven't gotten around to that yet. I don't really like it looking like this. So here's more lipsticks. So I have all my liquid cat suits in here. I have 4 of them. And then I just have, these are lipsticks I don't really use a lot. And I'm proud of myself because I told y'all in the declutter video that I'm going to force myself to start using these colors more. And I actually wore one of them today, but I don't know where it is. I think I dropped it on my floor, so I have to find it. But these are lipsticks and stuff that have odd containers. They don't really fit into my other sections, other like liners and lip glosses that I don't really use. And I got my lip liners in here, but I keep these in here because these aren't the ones that I typically wear. I wear the ones in the top drawer a little bit more, but I decided to, since I got rid of all that other eye makeup and stuff, I just put those in there. And then this one has eye crayons, eye like shadow toppers, big gigantic eye thingies in there, eye pencils that are too small that I use sometimes, colored liners, colored liquid liners, sharpeners, stuff like that that I don't use too often because they're like wild colors and stuff. And at the bottom is kind of like extras. These are other cream shadows, eyeshadow primers. The tape came off of one of these. I think it's this one. I'm gonna take that tape off and paint it, but single eyeshadows, pigments and stuff like that. And I just have this like extra micellar water thingy in there. And then right here is more of my everyday stuff. So I have like my everyday foundation that I use, my everyday sponges that need to be cleaned. This is a highlighter that I use more often, my everyday lip gloss, my Carmex, some Aveeno, my ordinary high adherent silicone primer, which is what the 2 extras back there are. And then I just have this little Clinique acne thingy that I got in a influencer box, some chapstick, and I keep these bobby pins for when I put up my hair at night. And then in this little drawer used to be like a jewelry thing. I used to have jewelry in it, but I moved my jewelry to something else. So now this has my lashes, all my lashes. I took my lashes out of their packages so they could like fit in here. And I just keep my lashes and my lash glue in here. But if I ever get more, I'm gonna probably need to get a bigger one. But for right now, this is fine to keep them in because I don't have that many lashes. And on the side, I have taped like little SD cards that I've had for years taped in there. And so, and my mirror just fell over. Great. Okay, that's fun. Okay, so, all right. So now I'm gonna go up here and then I'll go back down. So up here, I just have, and ignore my Ethernet cable. This is a mirror back here. This thingy that I have, it's a mirror back here, but I keep a black, it's an old blanket actually. I keep that over it because I don't want to look in that mirror all the time. But yeah, it's something I've had since I was a little kid. But here I have like all my Bath and Body Works lotions and body sprays that I don't really use. I used to switch them out with the seasons, but I don't do that anymore. And then just perfumes, and this is the Biore baking soda micellar water that I like to use. I have some coconut oil. This is the Nivea men's thingy, the cool shaving balm. Remember a couple years ago, it was like the trend to use that as a primer. I like to use that as a primer during the summer. It works a lot. And then this is the, what is this? This is a setting spray that I made myself from using like Andrea's Beauty Talks tutorial like forever ago. And I just keep remaking that and it works really good. It works better than any store-bought primer that I've personally used. So I keep making that. It has very long staying power. And then right here, I have this Nivea soft skin thingy that I use often. These little magnetic metal tins, I got these from Dollar Tree. This one has my septum rings in it, and this one is empty. And then I just have setting powders. This is a Merle Norman. It's dirty. I need to wipe it. It looks dirty, but I don't know how to wipe that off. And then I have my Coty. And then they're sitting on this Sonia Kashuk makeup book that I got a long time ago. I don't use it anymore, but I just have it, and it's like a little glass thingy. And this purple thing has nail polish in it, but I'm not going to go into that because when I do my nail stuff decluttering video, I will go into that, and because I need to get rid of some. But then back down here are my makeup brushes. Okay, so these are my makeup brushes, so I'm going to move these out of the way. So I only have 2 containers of makeup brushes at the moment. This is all my eye makeup brushes, and this is actually a candle jar from a candle I got from Dollar Tree a long time ago. I have like all my little makeup brushes in here, and I have like my eyebrow scissors, excuse me, my tweezers, my eyelash tweezers, regular tweezers, scissors, and stuff like that. This brush does not go in there. I don't know how that brush keeps getting in there. But basically the different types of brushes, I got these from Amazon. This was a set of like, I want to say like 7 to 10 brushes for like $6. I got from Amazon a couple years ago. It's like geometric, and it has that. They are still holding up after like 2-3 years. I got this set, which the bigger versions are in my over here, but I got these from Amazon. I think it was a 10-pack for like $5, still holding up. Some of these came from Dollar Tree. This mermaid brush came from Dollar Tree. It works really good. I got this a couple months ago. It works really good. A lot of those came from Dollar Tree. I need to clean them because I did my makeup earlier. And then this is like a little candle jar thing. I think this one came from Dollar Tree too. I used to have the little beads in the bottom of them that everybody used to do, but then it got messed. They would always fall over, so I just took them out. I got this mermaid brush from Dollar Tree. It works pretty good. These are the other ones in that other set that I showed you. Still have those. These came in the other set. They're still holding up, so yeah. I do want more makeup brushes because I'm lazy and I want to have more so I don't have to always clean them, but whatever. And then here's Gary from SpongeBob. I don't know where he came from, but yeah. Yeah, this is my Pond's. It's like ripping off because I've had it. I don't really use that anymore. And then this is, I got this metal jar from Dollar Tree too, and it just has like a hair donut in it. And I use it as a color switcher for my brushes, for my makeup brushes. If you don't know, you can make your own color switcher and you don't have to go to Sephora and all these places and buy super expensive ones when you can just make it at home. And then I just have this Garnier Skin Active Micellar Makeup Removing Eye Pads. There are little pads in there that you can remove your eye makeup with. So now, this is more makeup. So I'm not going to get into the stuff off to the side because this is my hair section. I'm not going to get into that because nobody cares. That's a whole other story. But I guess this little thing that I've had since I was a kid, it has rings in this part, but it has these little sections. This has jewelry in it. This has jewelry in it. And these are like floss picks. And then this is the Bolero face wipes. I get those from Dollar Tree. They're actually like a national brand, but they don't really make them anymore. And then these are hand sanitizers, some lotion, and that. And then down here is my makeup palettes and stuff. So right here is a Morphe. I don't know which Morphe this is. Actually, let me get y'all some light because this is very dark. So let me get y'all a little bit of light so y'all can see what is happening. Okay, so now we got light over here. So this is one of my Morphe. I don't remember which number it is. I bought it from someone off of, I think, not eBay, I bought it off of YouTube. A YouTuber, Alexis, that I really like. She was cleaning out a lot of her products and stuff, and she had that one. It was untouched, and I bought that last Christmas, I think, around Christmas last year for like $7. And I've been using it since then. I've broken some of the colors in it, which makes me mad. And then I have my Masquerade Mini, which is one of my most used ones. I have my Bad Habit Inferno. And then this is my Rosé collection from Bad Habit. And Rosé is a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I can't speak English. The Anastasia palettes. And then I have my Aphrodite and Athena from Bad Habit. This is my Fergie one that I showed you guys. Hold on, it's not focusing. It's focusing on the wrong stuff. This is the Fergie one that I was cleaning out. Bad Habit, Fergie, all that shit. And then this is my Nika K one that I showed you guys in the decluttering video. my favorite, the Face Candy Atlantis, which has all the beautiful blues in it. And then I think that's all for the palette. So right here, these are my makeup remover wipes. I've got my Simple and my Lavender Bolero. I keep these in a plastic bag so that they don't dry out, because they tend to dry out really easily. And then this is my extra Carmex. I always keep like extra lip gloss and stuff, so I keep that there. And then this is a broken mirror. I broke this mirror. It was like a square mirror and I love it, but I broke it. It's dirty, y'all, because I sprayed like setting spray on it earlier before I left. But I keep this. I like to do my eye makeup in that because it's easier for me to see. And then I just have some makeup remover. I have sea salt for my piercing, some Aquaphor eye makeup remover. I have face mask in here, Biore strips, Garnier face mask. This is numbing cream that I had when I did some of my piercings and stuff. It works really good. I have some like aromatherapy oils. This is like a little spoon for sulfur. More aromatherapy tissues. These little native deodorants that I get in Pinch Me boxes that I like to keep in my purse. That is Aquaphor. I mean, not Aquaphor. That's A&D ointment for like tattoos and stuff. And then that's some sulfur. So let me pop this back over here. And then this is like my Real Techniques brush cleaner. You just put it on your hand and you like rub your brush over it. And so that is it for my makeup collection. Some stuff isn't in here because it's not like I haven't really worn it, but I did get rid of a lot of stuff. If you guys do watch the declutter video, I got rid of so much stuff. This doesn't go here. I got rid of so much stuff, which I'm so proud of myself, because I had so many products and stuff that I really did not need. There was no need of me keeping all this stuff, and I was just keeping it for no apparent reason. So I hope you guys have enjoyed. I'm gonna give you guys a once over again of everything thus far. So yeah, so guys, that was my makeup collection video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If there's anything you have any questions on or anything else you guys would like to see, definitely let me know. Hope you guys are looking forward to seeing the nail stuff declutter, because oh my god, my nail stuff, I thought I had too much makeup. I've got a whole lot of nail stuff, and I am going to be getting rid of a lot of that stuff because I am starting to be more into gel nails and the polygel and stuff. But I don't have polygel done today. I just did my nails with regular gel because my nails need some TLC. They need some rest because I've been doing the polygel kind of like regularly. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Oh, excuse me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. I love you guys, and goodbye.